Breaking news just coming in. Comedian Munawar Farooqui has issued a statement after his show got cancelled in Bengaluru. In his statement, Munawar has said that calling off his show is unfair. He said that he had censor certificate for the show. That's the latest that is coming in at the moment. Bengaluru administration has cancelled his show, citing safety and security reasons. Questions arising on why they can't enhance the safety and security. Is there no laughter that is allowed in the state of Karnataka? That is the big question. Comedian Munawar Farooqui had a censor certificate of the show. That is according to his statement. He has issued a statement after the show has gotten cancelled in Bengaluru. If we have Nolan with us, let's go straight across to Nolan. But in the statement that Munawar Farooqui has said that calling off his show is unfair. Munawar Farooqui said he has the censor certificate of the comedy show. Nolan's now joining us for the latest. Nolan, big questions arising on why has the state administration decided to go ahead and cancel this particular show instead of enhancing the safety and security and allowing the show to take place. It's a comedy show and he has the censor certificate for it as well.
Well, in fact, it's very interesting because, one, the police are tight-lipped about this. The only thing that we have is the letter which the inspector of the Ashok Nagar police station, the jurisdictional police inspector, has actually written to the auditorium. That's the Good Shepherd's auditorium where the show was to take place. He says that, one, this is a controversial individual. He has made controversial statements in the past. There could be law and order issues. So keeping all these in mind, and also that he was arrested, there's a case against him in Madhya Pradesh. So keeping all these things in mind, they have actually taken this decision. Now, from the Hindu Janajagrati Samiti, they are the ones who actually approached the Commissioner of Police.
The fact of the matter is, whatever be the reason, and if he has a censor certificate of it, isn't the onus on the Bengaluru police to ensure that they do their job in implementing the safety and security and ensuring that there is law and order despite the show going on?
Well, in fact, on social media, most of the people have actually said this after they read his latest tweet, Munawar Farooqi's, where he says, goodbye, hate has won and artists have lost and injustice. They have actually stated that it is the job of the police over here, regardless, to provide protection. If people do not want to hear it, if they don't like it, need not hear it. But the ones who want to, let them come over there. So this is exactly what's happening on social media, saying that they have seen what has happened in the past in various states. Wherever he went, 12 shows in the past 2 months have been cancelled. Now, Bengaluru we can't allow this to happen in Bengaluru. Many of them have actually stated and are questioning the Chief Minister and the Home Minister, saying that we see incidents taking place in Mangaluru of moral policing, and now this is coming right here in the state capital, which was always seen to be allowing everyone with diverse opinions. Everyone was accepted to learn to. So if let's agree to disagree, this is what Bengaluru was earlier. But that has not happened now. So many are actually questioning the Chief Minister and the Home Minister as to what is happening in Bengaluru.
All right. Many questioning what is going on in Bengaluru and why is it that the Bengaluru police needs to cancel a show instead of enhancing the law and order and allowing the show to go on for Munawar Farooqui. Leave it at that, Nolan Pinto.